Here are 22 of the most beautiful places in New Zealand, presented without people, crowds, or distractions. This is the land of the long white cloud as you've never seen it before. Our journey begins in the profound silence of Milford Sound, where the iconic Mitre Peak ascends from the dark, mirror-like waters of the fjord, shrouded in a delicate morning mist. Next, we witness the majesty of Aoraki, Mount Cook, New Zealand's highest peak, its snow-covered summit perfectly reflected in the serene turquoise expanse of an empty Hooker Lake. As night falls, we find ourselves at Lake Tekapo, where the impossibly blue water rests under a blanket of stars, and the solitary, stone-built church of the Good Shepherd stands as a silent sentinel on its deserted shore. We then venture into the otherworldly landscape of Tongariro National Park. Here, the volcanic emerald-colored lakes steam within the deserted red-hued crater of the Alpine Crossing, creating a scene of raw geothermal power. From there, we ascend to Roy's Peak near Wanaka, gazing down from the famous viewpoint onto Lake Wanaka, with the well-trodden path leading to the summit completely devoid of footprints. Our path then leads us to the golden shores of Abel Tasman National Park, where a crescent-shaped beach, fringed by lush native bush, meets the clear, empty turquoise water in perfect harmony. Deep underground, we explore the Waitomo glowworm caves. The cavern's dark ceiling is transformed into a galaxy of blue-green light, illuminated by thousands of tiny glowworms in absolute quiet. We emerge into the sunshine of Hobbiton, where a bright green, round hobbit hole door is set into a silent, verdant hill under a brilliant blue sky, a scene of pure, untouched fantasy. We feel the immense scale of the Franz Josef Glacier, a vast river of ice flowing between deserted Rocky Valley walls, its terminal face a stark and powerful shade of blue. Looking down from above, we see Queenstown, the adventure capital, resting quietly beside Lake Wakatipu, embraced by the empty, dramatic peaks of the Remarkables mountain range. We then step into the Waiotapu thermal wonderland, where the vibrant orange champagne pool steams in a deserted, otherworldly landscape of color and vapor. At sunrise, we stand before Cathedral Cove, watching the first light illuminate the majestic, naturally formed rock archway on a deserted golden sand beach. Along the coast, we find the Muraki boulders, mysterious spherical stones scattered across a deserted beach, half submerged by the incoming tide, like ancient relics of a forgotten time. From the air, the Bay of Islands reveals its splendor, a breathtaking tapestry of deserted emerald green islands set in a sapphire blue empty sea. We witness the power of the ocean at the Punakaiki Pancake Rocks, where eroded limestone formations are relentlessly battered by sea spray, with no one else in sight to witness the spectacle. We cross the swinging bridge on the Hooker Valley Track, a lone structure over the milky blue Hooker River, with the formidable Aoraki standing silently in the background. The journey continues to the shores of Lake Pukaki, its brilliant glacier-fed turquoise water lying perfectly still, reflecting the silent majesty of the Southern Alps on the horizon. We stand on the vast, windswept, and empty expanse of Warariki Beach, where the massive Archway Islands rocks stand as stoic guardians against the elements. As the day ends, we watch the golden light of sunset wash over the jagged, dramatic, and empty slopes of the Remarkables. We marvel at Sutherland Falls, a powerful three-tiered cascade plunging down a deserted, verdant cliff face in the heart of Fjordland. We feel the immensity of the Tipaki sand dunes, giant, sweeping dunes, untouched and empty, stretching towards the distant blue sea. Our tour concludes at Nugget Point Lighthouse, a solitary beacon standing on a rocky outcrop at dawn, surrounded by a swirling, empty sea, watching over the vast, silent ocean.